Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're going to see how to remove like posts on Facebook. So to do that, head over to your Facebook application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the top right icon. And from here, head over to the settings icon on the top right. And once you're in your settings, scroll down until you find the option of activity log under your activity section. In here, head over or click on the drop down box of your Facebook activity. In here, you will find the option of comments and sections. Go to likes and reactions. And here are the posts that you will find liked on your or via your Facebook account. So if you want to remove them, what you need to do is just to select them accordingly and then tap on remove. Tap on remove to confirm it. And as you can see, here I have to confirm it with my password. And once it is done, stop or remove. And yeah, as you can see, it is removed. So yeah, this is how you can just remove liked posts on Facebook. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.